The hot tomato sauce filling and capping machine is engineered to handle viscous, heat-sensitive sauces like hot tomato sauce, chili sauce, ketchup, or salsa while maintaining consistency and hygiene. The system typically begins with a jacketed, steam-heated hopper or holding tank that keeps the sauce at the required elevated temperature to reduce viscosity and prevent clogging or separation. From this tank, a positive displacement pump or piston filler draws a precise volume of the hot sauce and dispenses it into bottles moving along a conveyor. The filling nozzles usually include anti-drip and splash controls, often with a short retract or return motion, to avoid stringing or foam formation. After precise filling, the bottles travel to an integrated capping station, where caps, twist-on, flip-top, press-on, or lug caps are picked, placed, and tightened to a preset torque. The system's PLC or touchscreen interface allows the operator to adjust fill volumes, line speed, pump timing, and torque settings, while sensors and interlocks ensure safety, correct capping, and error detection. Missing cap, misaligned bottle. The machine also often supports CIP, clean in place, flushing or sanitation cycles to maintain cleanliness without full disassembly. The machine handles hot fill processes. It is particularly suited for products that require pasteurization or sterilization steps prior to sealing, thus eliminating microbial risk. Additionally, by precisely controlling fill volumes and cap torque, the system minimizes product wastage, ensures consumer safety, no leakage, and enables producers to expand product lines or bottle sizes, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, etc., without needing entirely new equipment.